Our kitchens are like treasure chests, filled with ingredients that can do wonders for our health. We often reach for exotic superfoods, overlooking the humble heroes hiding in plain sight. Two such powerhouses, olive oil and lemon, have been staples in kitchens for centuries, their benefits passed down through generations. Individually, they offer a myriad of health advantages, but combined, they create a potent elixir that can transform your well-being. This isn't about complicated recipes or fancy ingredients. It's about embracing simple, natural foods that make you feel fantastic. So let's delve into the world of olive oil and lemon, discovering how this dynamic duo can revolutionize your health and invigorate your life. Get ready to unlock the secret weapon already sitting in your pantry.
Olive oil, often called liquid gold, has been prized for its health benefits since ancient times. This Mediterranean staple, extracted from olives, is a cornerstone of a healthy diet and a symbol of longevity. Rich in monounsaturated fats, olive oil is a heart-healthy choice, helping to lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. But the benefits of olive oil extend far beyond heart health. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory, packed with antioxidants that combat free radicals, protecting your cells from damage. Olive oil also aids in digestion, promoting gut health and nutrient absorption. Its versatility in the kitchen makes it a joy to cook with, adding a rich flavor and velvety texture to countless dishes.
Lemons, with their bright color and refreshing aroma, are a burst of sunshine in the fruit basket. This citrus fruit is a nutritional powerhouse, brimming with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that strengthens the immune system and protects against infections. Lemons are also a good source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. But the benefits of lemons go beyond vitamins and minerals. They are known for their alkalizing properties, helping to balance the body's pH levels. Lemons aid in digestion, stimulating the production of bile and promoting detoxification. Their refreshing flavor adds a zesty kick to beverages, dressings, and marinades, enhancing the taste of countless dishes.
When combined, olive oil and lemon create a synergistic blend that amplifies their individual health benefits. The healthy fats in olive oil help the body absorb the fat-soluble vitamins present in lemons, maximizing their nutritional value. This potent mix acts as a powerful antioxidant, fighting inflammation and protecting against chronic diseases. This simple combination can work wonders for your digestive system. Olive oil lubricates the digestive tract, while lemon juice stimulates digestive juices, promoting regularity and relieving constipation. The anti-inflammatory properties of this mix can also soothe the stomach lining, reducing bloating and discomfort. Incorporating olive oil and lemon into your daily routine is a simple yet effective way to enhance your overall health and well-being.
Section 5. Morning Boost. Kickstart your day the Mediterranean way. Start your day the Mediterranean way with a simple ritual that promotes digestive health and boosts energy levels. Before breakfast, consume a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil mixed with the juice of half a lemon. This simple act can jumpstart your metabolism, stimulate digestion, and provide a gentle cleanse for your body. The olive oil lubricates the digestive tract, while the lemon juice stimulates bile production, aiding in the breakdown of fats. This combination can also help regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. The antioxidants present in both olive oil and lemon juice provide an energizing boost, setting you up for a productive day.
Section 6. Drizzle of Delight. Elevating salads to new heights. Ditch the bottled dressings and embrace the natural goodness of olive oil and lemon for your salads. These simple ingredients not only enhance the flavor, but also bring a touch of elegance to your meals. This classic combination adds a burst of flavor and a healthy dose of nutrients to your greens. The vibrant taste of lemon paired with the rich, smooth texture of olive oil creates a delightful harmony. Simply whisk together extra virgin olive oil, fresh lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and pepper to create a light and tangy dressing. This easy-to-make dressing can be prepared in minutes and elevates any salad. The olive oil provides healthy fats that help your body absorb the fat-soluble vitamins from the vegetables, making your salad not just tasty, but also nutritious. While the lemon juice adds a refreshing zing that awakens the palate. The citrusy notes of lemon bring a bright, fresh flavor that complements the greens perfectly. Experiment with different herbs and spices to create your own signature salad dressing. Fresh herbs like parsley, cilantro, or dill can add unique flavors and aromas. Try adding a dollop of Dijon mustard for a creamy texture, which also adds a subtle tanginess to the dressing, or a sprinkle of oregano and basil for an Italian twist. These herbs can transform a simple salad into a gourmet experience.
Section 7. Flavor Burst. Enhancing vegetables and proteins. Olive oil and lemon are a match made in culinary heaven when it comes to enhancing the flavor of roasted vegetables and grilled proteins. The combination of these two simple ingredients can transform an ordinary meal into something extraordinary. The olive oil prevents sticking and adds a crispy texture, making the vegetables and proteins more appealing and delicious. While the lemon juice brings out the natural sweetness of vegetables and tenderizes meat, adding a refreshing tang that balances the richness of the olive oil. Simply toss your favorite vegetables or protein with olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper before roasting or grilling. This method is quick, easy, and ensures that every bite is packed with flavor. The high smoke point of olive oil makes it ideal for high-heat cooking, allowing you to achieve a perfect sear on your proteins and a delightful crisp on your vegetables. Ensuring that your food cooks evenly without burning, which is crucial for maintaining the integrity and taste of your ingredients. The lemon juice, added towards the end of cooking, prevents the dish from becoming too oily and adds a bright, citrusy aroma. This final touch can make a significant difference in the overall flavor profile. This simple technique elevates the flavor of even the simplest dishes, making them taste gourmet and sophisticated, making healthy eating a delicious and satisfying experience. By incorporating these techniques, you can enjoy meals that are not only nutritious, but also bursting with flavor, bringing joy to every dining experience.
Section 8. Sweet Surprise. A healthy twist on desserts. Believe it or not, olive oil and lemon can even add a healthy twist to your desserts. The subtle fruitiness of olive oil pairs surprisingly well with the tangy sweetness of lemon, creating a unique flavor profile that will tantalize your taste buds. Use olive oil in place of butter in cake and muffin recipes for a moist and flavorful treat. Add a drizzle of olive oil and a squeeze of lemon to Greek yogurt for a light and refreshing dessert. The olive oil adds a velvety texture while the lemon provides a zesty kick. Experiment with different flavor combinations, such as adding a sprinkle of cinnamon or a handful of berries, to create your own signature dessert.
Section 9. A word of caution. Moderation is key. While the combination of olive oil and lemon offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to consume it in moderation. Olive oil, though healthy, is calorie-dense, and excessive consumption can lead to weight gain. Lemon juice, due to its acidity, can erode tooth enamel if consumed in large quantities or too frequently. It's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant dietary changes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual needs and health status.
Section 10. Listen to your body. Personalizing your intake. The key to reaping the benefits of olive oil and lemon is to listen to your body and adjust your intake accordingly. Start with a small amount, such as a teaspoon of olive oil and the juice of half a lemon, and gradually increase the quantity as tolerated. Pay attention to how your body responds and adjust your intake based on your individual needs. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort, such as loose stools or heartburn, when they first start consuming olive oil and lemon. If this occurs, reduce the amount or frequency of consumption. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate this healthy habit into your daily routine gradually and consistently for optimal results.
Section 11. Embrace the Mediterranean lifestyle, a step towards wellness. Incorporating olive oil and lemon into your diet is a delicious and easy way to embrace the principles of the Mediterranean diet, which is renowned for its simplicity and rich flavors. This way of eating has been linked to numerous health benefits, including a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. It's not just about the food, but also about enjoying meals with family and friends. This lifestyle emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and healthy fats like olive oil. Fresh produce and vibrant flavors are at the heart of this diet. By making simple changes to your eating habits and incorporating olive oil and lemon into your daily routine, you can take a significant step towards improving your overall health and well-being. These small adjustments can lead to big health benefits over time. Remember, healthy living is not about deprivation. It's about making sustainable choices that nourish your body and bring you joy. It's about finding balance and enjoying the process of cooking and eating. So go ahead, drizzle, zest, and savor the flavors of the Mediterranean. Embrace this lifestyle and let it transform your approach to food and health.